No freedom.
Hold on, Gage. Get back, Gage.
Good guy.
Oh, his feet. He's going to burn him.
It's really hot.
You ain't got to tell him how to ride a motorcycle. Trust me.
One day? Yeah. Yeah, you want a little one? Keep looking, son. I don't want to see it. Have fun yet? You all have fun?
Say hi, Mommy. Two dirt bikes.
Hi.
Woohoo! So who was the kid on the dirt bike that rode right out in front of me in the road the other day?
Well,
I know you were down
That
there.
was Connor.
Scared the crap out of him.
He said he ran into your dad. Harrison said he ran into me. Austin's house.
I was watching as I was coming down the road. I'm like, okay, all right, he's not watching, so I went ahead and slowed down, and I was already trying to stop before he pulled out. And
he said he was trying to race a motorcycle. He was going to go racing.
I don't know about that.
He was a great style.